Hey, what's up guys? Wanted to make another video today sharing with you a niche that I found that is starting to trend. And this niche or this sub niche is in the book niche, and the phrase is read books, be kind, stay weird. So if we take a look at this on Amazon, we're going to see that there's only 190 results, so very low, and I got rid of the orca keywords at the end here. So we can see that it's very low in competition. And if we take a look at some of the ones on the top row here, we're going to see that these were just uploaded, so August 2nd, 2022. This one is July 28th, 2022. Another August 2nd, and another August 2nd right here. Two of these have BSRs, so we can see that they're selling. And also, it looks like this is a long sleeve or a sweater. Yeah, long sleeve. So good niche to get into. Low competition. It's already selling. Maybe because it's back to school and it has to do with reading books. I'm not sure. When we take a look at tests to see if this is trademark, read books, be kind, stay weird, hit enter. You'll see that nothing comes up, so it's good to go. Let's take a look at the competition on Etsy. Sorry, I got a phone call there. So it looks like there's only 313 results. So also very low. It looks like it's just mainly stickers, and I don't see even one t-shirt yet. So looks like there's barely any competition on Etsy for that phrase. So that's a good sign right there. Let's take a look at Redbubble. Redbubble has how much competition? Only 229. So far it's just stickers. Don't see any t-shirts either. And let's go with TeePublic. Let's see what TeePublic has. So I'm barely seeing any competition on the other sites. So I would definitely jump on this niche, put it up on all the platforms. The way I would probably design for this is, so I would probably maybe go like cross niche it with the LGBT, just do like a rainbow color. So maybe make the read books. So like the first word I'd make red, then orange, then yellow, then green, then blue, then purple. I would try and do like a cross niche like that. Or you can just, instead of using these kind of yellow pink colors, just use rainbow colors. You could also maybe do it with like a sunset. So kind of like, I think I saw one down here just with a different phrase. Where is it? Well, I can't find it anymore, but you can do like, oh yeah, right here. So maybe you could do something like this with the distressed sunset that we've seen for so long on merch. Just change the text, same type of design, but use the phrase that we are focusing on here. And so that's probably two ways. Maybe you could just do like some of the wavy text that's been very popular in the back to school niche, or kind of like the curvy text that we've been seeing. So those are probably the three ways that I would design for this niche. But you can do other designs as well. You know, the sunflower, the ones I've kind of showed you in the past. But this looks like a pretty good niche. You can go to Vexels and you can maybe take a look at some sunsets. From there, I have an affiliate link in the description. But that's the niche for today. I have a video coming out later on Etsy. It's about Etsy SEO, and I just need to know like what type of videos should I be making. Should I just continue making these daily videos about trendy niches, or should I kind of branch out and start doing videos about other platforms, other topics? So if you can, let me know, so that you guys can keep enjoying my content. So that is basically it. I'm going to go ahead and wrap up this video here. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, hit the bell, check out the affiliate links I have in the description, and check out this next video that I have somewhere up here. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.